Oh, welcome back guys dito sa General Luna Woodworks. Good afternoon guys, para flex this afternoon our done project for today's vlog guys. So guys, ang nakikita nyo ay ang newly restored yan na panel door guys. So guys, kung napanood yung aking part 1, ito yung ating old panel door na for restoration. So this time guys, ang ating part 2 ay yung ating done project na na-restore na natin yung ating panel door guys. So yan siya guys, napakaganda at kita nyo naman ang kanyang design guys. So all is good, sabi nga nila, di ba guys? So all is good, talagang yung mga sinaunang design ay pag nabuhay ay talaga namang napakaganda guys. So yan guys, so Nara wood yan, ating panel door na yan guys. Shout out sa ating good client na nag-purchase nito guys. I hope ay may repeat order pa tayo at magkita tayo muli sa mga susunod na project. Yun lang guys, basta Woodworks, General Luna Woodworks yan. Thanks for watching, bye. Salut.